Hey guys, welcome back. I want to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel recently. I posted a couple of videos here in the last couple of weeks, and it really got a great response, and I really appreciate that. I'd like to do, I'd like to get to where I can do a couple videos a week is what the plan is, but it's kind of sometimes hard to come up with material to do that, and it gets kind of expensive. So we're here in the wood shop today. I had an idea that to maybe finance my channel, that I would start doing some woodworking projects and make some things that I can sell, maybe on Etsy or eBay or Gunbroker or something like that. But wanted to show you what I've come up with here. I got a couple of different things. I've made some cartridge boxes that that's what I started with. Made several of those, and then I want to give credit to Popo's Woodworking on YouTube. I was watching a video and I saw these concealment boxes that he was making, and I thought, wow, that's a pretty cool idea. So I made some up of my own, some different designs, and I just want to do a quick video and show them to you guys, see what you think. I'd like some feedback, if you would. I'd really appreciate it on what you think of each one, maybe which one you like the best, that kind of thing. And if you think, I'd have any luck selling any of this stuff. So I'm gonna bring you in closer here and show you exactly what we have here and how they work. Okay, first off, these are the cartridge boxes that I've been making, and I've made I don't know, 12, 15 of these, but made them out of, well, this one here is solid oak, holds 50 rounds, 38 special, and I stenciled and then wood burned all of this into these. So that's a 38 special. Here's a 9mm case that I made, basically the same. There's another 38. This one I loaded up with cartridges so you could see. This particular one is oak, but I did use poplar on the top here. Just gives a little bit different look than the solid oak. I'd like your opinion on that too, what you think looks better. But what I did is I built these, and then I torched them all. I took a torch over them to give them that rustic look, and then just clear lacquer is all I used on it. And there's a 357 Magnum. And then I also made, like, here's a 4570 box. And this just holds 10 rounds, but if anybody shoots 4570, they know they're running, I think, about $3 a round now. So if you take 10 rounds to the range, that's a pretty expensive day for you. But this is just solid oak. And put the little latches on the sides there to latch it in so that you could carry it and not worry about it falling out. And then these are the concealment boxes. And what I did here is I stenciled on the flag, and then I wood burned all of this in with the wood burner before I finished it. And as you can see, that it's a key rack is what it is. You can hang it on your wall for, to hold keys. And then let me grab this. As you can see, it's locked. It won't open up. But this was the idea too on Popo's Woodworking. I saw it was a good idea he had. On the side, this is just a little magnet, and it's kind of hard to do with one hand. There it is. You can see, you put your magnet on there, pull this pin out, and then it opens up. And what I did here is I countersunk a strong earth magnet in there, and then I put the piece of felt over it, and you can use that to hold your weapon. Now, you know, if your weapon's really heavy, I don't know if I would trust that, but really all it's doing, if you got this securely mounted on the wall, and your weapon's sitting on here, it's basically just keeping the weapon from falling over as you open the door on it. So these are hidden hinges, and to lock it back up, you just put the pin back in and she's locked. And this is actually a stud finder that I've had for some time. I got on Amazon. It's a magnet, and you just slide it around the wall until it picks up a nail, and then it will stick, and you know that's where your stud is. And I thought, well, I'd just, you know, leave this sit on top or somewhere nearby, and if I ever had to access my handgun, you know, I could just grab that and pop that on there, pull the pin out, and I've got instant access to it. And you know, the rest of the time, unless you tell them or somebody sees these videos, nobody knows it's there. And plus it, you know, keeps out of the reach of kids and stuff. I did the same thing here. Here's another one I did. Kind of like that design too, and that's also wood burned in. I think this one I put on this side. There, you know, same thing. And all these pins are, just took a nail and I cut the point off of it, and then also cut the head off of it and used that for the pin. So it slides right in there. And here's another one I did with the flag on it. That one, it was a lot of detail work. And then this one I did, this is what my wife wanted. This one's, now these other ones are pine. This one's made out of solid red oak. And I actually put, like I said, I made this for her. And I actually put an electronic lock in this one. And these keychains come with the lock, and you can program them, and you just slide it over. You heard that beep, and it opened up. Oh, you got to be kind of quick. And you open it up, and there gives you an idea. I haven't got the felt on this one yet, but there's the magnet that I put in all of them, and there's the electronic lock. So I thought they were pretty neat. Anyhow, I'm anxious to see your feedback. Let me know what you think of them, and I'll be talking to you soon. Appreciate it if you'd hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.